Welcome to this comprehensive guide on Axie Infinity Axie Classes Overview, where we will delve into the world of Axie Infinity and explore the different Axie classes that make this game exciting and challenging. Axie Infinity is a popular blockchain-based game that allows players to collect, breed, and battle creatures known as Axies. To start, it is essential to understand that Axies are divided into 9 classes, each with unique characteristics and abilities. The 9 classes are Beast, Bird, Bug, Aquatic, Reptile, Plant, Mech, and Dusk and Dawn. Each class has its strengths and weaknesses, making it crucial to understand these classes to build a strong and balanced team. The Beast class is known for its high health points and attack power, making them suitable for dealing massive damage. The Bird class is agile and has high speed, making them perfect for quick attacks and dodging. The Bug class has high attack power and is immune to certain types of attacks, while the Aquatic class has high health points and is resistant to certain types of damage. The Reptile class has high attack power and is immune to certain types of attacks, while the Plant class has high health points and can heal itself. The Mech class is a rare and powerful class with high attack power and ability to deal massive damage. The Dusk and Dawn classes are hybrid classes that combine the characteristics of other classes, making them versatile and powerful. When building a team, it is essential to consider the strengths and weaknesses of each class and how they interact with each other. A well-balanced team with a mix of classes can be incredibly powerful and help you succeed in battles. It is also crucial to understand the different roles that each class can play, such as tank, dealer, or supporter. In conclusion, understanding the different Axie classes is crucial to building a strong and balanced team in Axie Infinity. By knowing the strengths and weaknesses of each class and how they interact with each other, you can create a powerful team that can help you succeed in battles and progress through the game. Remember to always consider the roles that each class can play and build a well-balanced team to achieve success in Axie Infinity.